What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy 7's Day. I'm over here at 7's Day LA. You saw a bunch of cool cars already. A lot of cars over here. I'll show you. I'll see what I can record. There's music playing in the background, so I don't want to get copyright infringement, but we'll see what's up. So happy 7's Day, which is July 7, 2024 today, but every July 7th is 7's Day. So over here, celebration of the RX-7 and its predecessors and even the RX-8. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you hit that like button, I'll appreciate it. Subscribe and let's see what's up. The Liberty Rock RX-7, pretty badass. It's pretty nice. It's not that many of these ones. Well, that's pretty cool. This is nice. The BMW. Clean interior, right-hand drive. Nice dash. He has a zoom. Clean. A lot of people see that called Gander doors. I'm not sure if they're real or not, I don't know how to tell, but this is the style of a lot of people change their mirrors to that style. Looks pretty cool. Oh, he has the good freaking seats. This is like the ones that were expensive.
$19,000?
Yeah, it's like the ones that are expensive. Ew. I like the wheel, the steering wheel. Pretty cool. It's a big ass intercooler, radiator, big ass intercooler and radiator. It's pretty cool. There's a single turbo. For there, it's the intake. Yeah. So like air goes through here, goes through the intercooler, cool it down, then it goes to the engine.
But why is it like that?
Because there's only so much space, so he has to like point it up. Yeah. Oh, this is like more performance oriented. Like yours is like that little square one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's a little bit more performance. It takes it out of the box. You know, yours is in the box thing, the black box. This one's kind of has all that. Painted the engine bay too. You can see because it's shiny.
Yeah.
Has a clear coat on it. So yeah, mine is mine's kind of just like matte. Well, it's a lot because you gotta take everything out and paint it in. Yeah, very nice. They even have the trucks, like the one outside too. Where they paint. These ones have Rotary. I'm not sure if they do it themselves. I think it's someone they do it after. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, little tin stickers. That's cool. I know. I was like, want to ask them. It looks like, I don't know. A lot of people do that too. I want to do that. You see, it changes the oil.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
To order. They do one for like each of the little funnels. Yeah. Seeing his painted his engine too. It's a yellow. Matches the car.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. It's very nice.
So then he was like, he was on a mission. That's hella good.
This is clean, huh? Nice paint. Wow. It has a dash cover. The dice? Oh, the steering knob? I mean, the shifter?
The shifter.
Yeah.
No, that's cool.
You like it? You get the shot of the... I think it's 6th Street Bridge. That's where all the takeovers were at. that I got at from 13B. Looks pretty cool. Round 2 of 7's Day activities. Going to the Cold Red Performance 7's Day, hosted by the owner, which is I consider him a buddy of mine, Dakota. So should be cool. I'll link his Instagram and his company's Instagram right here. And let's get going.
There was something deleted that was there. That was meant for something.
Is it a starting price?
Yeah, I mean, part of the reason. Because this thing is so short. Like I saw I waist like that. You gotta stay. You got 2 points on you.
We got Dakota's
Hey, he likes your
RX-7.
Oh yeah, that shit go hard. He likes your shit. Hey, he's talking shit. I was like, what? You like that shit?
Cold Red Performance. The Ganadors. This is your sticker. That's yours. Instagram if you want to follow him. Nice.
like, why him? That ain't valid.
The factory Z2 stuff for the front bumper is either fiberglass. Yeah, that's why I was like, these I don't care if it's not metal because it's gonna, you know, nothing's gonna hit it. Right, like you're not gonna fuck the hood up, you're not gonna fuck the fenders up really. Yeah, or the quarters. So,
You got a one wiper?
Yeah,
That's a big flex itself.
I do that for all my cars.
Yeah, that's pretty
Just a
cool.
fucking poser. I'm not actually put your
That's cool.
You enjoying it? Yeah. You gonna keep it or are you gonna fucking FD it and axe it in a year and a half? I'm just saying. Well, I plan on sliding it, so that's why.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the semi-peripheral port. It's gonna be sick. I fucking hate it. I'm gonna start sliding this thing. I fucking hate it.
It was too fast. It was too fast for the track. I couldn't enjoy it. So this, I'm gonna keep it around like 450. Was it too fast for the track before or after? Before. The FD was like the FD was like 600. I didn't crash it. Well, I went off track, and cracked my wheel and blew my motor same day. Okay, one time.
Damn.
Yeah, I just rebuilt.
T37. Damn, pretty nice. Crazy seeing these cars in real life. Oh shit. Not expecting the Mustang engine. That's cool. Yeah, pretty cool. .5.0. It's turbo. Dang. The COS. Yeah.
the way the seatbelts are.
You're not gonna see it coming. You know, like, you get behind
So
them and like tap it from behind.
I have to get a whole new seat.
I mean, just don't put it through. You just don't put it through the thing.
So is yours all stock?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Pop it so you can see, but yeah, it's got a full molded C West kit in it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
I don't know why it reminds me of vehicles.
Nice.
Big single conversion, upgraded injectors, charge piping, blow-off valve, radiator, intercooler. I actually just deleted AC. Never had it to begin with.
Yeah.
But it was just
The
in there,
stuff was
so I
there,
like,
yeah.
I'm not using it. Yank it.
You might as well save space, save less of a mess.
Just cleaned it up a whole bunch, made it look better. It runs better now. Oh my god, it ran like crap.
Yeah.
I had a major exhaust leak.
Oh, okay.
So we pulled the engine after that.
Might be on video? Yeah. I have a YouTube channel, so.
Oh, for sure.
There you go.
I actually just did a poll and there's people who want me to start one, so this would be good inspiration.
There you go.
But yeah, no, so remember that night, I'm not sure if you heard, like when I came up, I kind of sounded like super rattly on Wednesday.
Okay.
I had a major a major exhaust leak coming from the turbo flange gasket.
Okay.
Which, unfortunately for us, the way the turbo setup is, can't access it. Couldn't access the screws either because you can only get to 2 of them.
Yeah.
So we unfortunately had to pull the entire engine, but it was a good thing we did that because there were so many things that we saw that were just they were bad. Honestly, we're like, how the hell did this thing not blow up? Because I tell people, I'm like, no, it actually sounded like a small Chevy. That was with the exhaust leak.
Yeah.
Just, I'll let you hear.
Yeah, it's a lot smoother.
Oh yeah.
There you go. That's cool, man.
That's what we did. And there's still more I have to do, but
it's always a project, right? It's project's never complete.
when I
That's cool. Yeah, I was like, all the Rotary people was just like. Like it never gets old.
It probably has a K-tune muffler on it. Yep, it's Kenny.
Alrighty. First number. Last 3 numbers. 7, 5, 8. No.
759.
You gotta get
759.
Whoa.
Choose a number.
Let's see, I'll get 3.
3?
3. Hell yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Did I open it right now? Or
If you want, you can open it. You can do whatever you want with it.
For sure.
Burn it if you really want. Do some crazy shit.
Yeah.
Let me hold your camera.
Okay, cool.
Alrighty. On to the next. And again, false number over here, liar over there. I'm watching you guys.
Hell yeah. Everybody needs those. So that's all I have for you in this video. Thank you if you got this far. I really appreciate it. If you can hit that like button, subscribe. That helps me a lot. I'm trying to grow my channel and make more videos for you guys and just for my entertainment. So I'd like to thank Vintage Japanese Motor Union and Sevenstock for doing the 7's Day LA, which was the first of its kind. So I really appreciate it. I'm not sure about first of its kind, but it was the first year that they did it. So I really appreciate that. It was a lot of fun. And thank you to Dakota at Code Red Performance. It was a really good event. Got to talk to a lot of people, and can't wait for next year. So thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out, homies.